Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to my series on home maintenance. I'm Leslie Salman with LPT Realty, and today I want to talk to you about organization and order when it comes to your home maintenance. And it's really good to keep everything in a binder in a tangible format so that whenever it comes time to actually list your house, you have everything just sitting out on your counter and people can look through it and see all the maintenance and all the upgrades and things that you've done to your home throughout the years. It's kind of similar to whenever you sell your car and you might hand over a maintenance log of all of the oil changes and auto repairs that you've had throughout the years. You would want to do something similar to that. And that's so that the more information you can provide to people up front, the easier it is for them to make a decision. If I walked into a house and I saw something that was super clean and pristine condition with a binder of all of the receipts, I would be so impressed. I would know that this is something I could feel completely comfortable and safe walking into right away. I could make a strong offer. I could maybe waive the home inspection contingency, things like that. So it really does make a difference and create value whenever you are able to do something like this. So I would highly recommend you organizing something in a binder. The other thing that I would say to keep track of in an Excel spreadsheet is all of the upgrades or things that you've done to improve your house on top of the maintenance. So like for me, I just redid my kitchen. I might want to keep track of how much I spent on each item within getting my kitchen redone. So some people like things tangible that you can pick up, hold in your hands. Other people are more tech savvy and they'd like it that way. It's nice to be able to have both types of items to provide people. So that's my tip for that. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you later.